I'm making tons of vice grip videos or locking plier videos, I thought I'd make one more. Oh yeah, or just throw it in the other one. But yeah, another tool video. This right here is a KREG. This is a vintage KREG locking plier. You know why it's vintage? Because now they're the KREG ones have that little tiny screw which sucks. Absolutely sucks. In fact, I should find it. You'll see what I mean. The KREGs, the big giant pliers, they have the big claw for using the pins. There's it's kind of like Vice Grip's C-clamp pliers. KREG has this little tiny bolt in there, and if your fingers are any fatter than my pinky, you can't even get it to adjust. And the design sucks. KREG used to get these things made by Vice Grip, because I'm feeling their exact same finish. This one says KREG on it, which is amazing, and I've actually seen I seen one on eBay. It was way too expensive, and when I win the lottery, I'll buy it. But it's a vintage KREG jig that has vice grips in it. Vice grips, original Peterson vice grip, and yeah, they were using just regular, locking, rear end adjustable things. If you look online, you'll see KREG has a little screw in the middle and adjust it. It is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. And I feel bad for all these woodworkers who have fat fingers. Like, does everybody have like little princess fingers? They're like the size of, spaghetti? No. And it works, but it doesn't work great. Like this kind of stuff, you just adjust it and it locks. You adjust it. It's easy. Just yeah, I made noises. The new I should look for it. Hold on, I'll show you. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So as I was saying, this right here is the old school KREG jig. You just adjust it like here. Even though this little screw is kind of like even the, what do you call it, Milwaukee ones or Vice Grip ones have thicker ones, and the Milwaukee ones have that nice little hangy thing here. But they don't make these anymore. Here's the newer ones. You're gonna like this. You want to adjust this? Hey, look, there's a tiny screw right here. See how small it is? And it's stupid because you can't really get your finger in there. It doesn't always lock. You got to adjust it and try it again, and adjust it and try it again. It sucks. This little thing literally, like I go forward or I go backward. See, it's trying to get it to. Where's it going? Okay, not inward. Unlock it, and then if you cut your finger, you're screwed, because then you can't really even get in there because of your fingertips. I'm trying to get it to close. Oh, see, it's not even, doesn't even want to close. I'm putting the thing all the way down. I can't even get it to. So stupid the thing is. See, I screwed it all the way and it doesn't want to close. It's locked. So if I screw it the other way, maybe it'll work. This is how stupid this thing is. It doesn't want to close. I don't know what the hell. But this is the worst freaking design ever. Like, see, I can't get it to unlock. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Oh, wait. It must go down a little. I don't know what the hell. So you should be able to screw it down one way, and it'll make this. I don't know. I hate this. I'd throw it in the garbage with it. I'd rather just make fun of it because it's junk. Let me try this. It's going to be a 10-minute video on how to close a freaking KREG thing. I hope, KREG, you're watching, because this thing sucks. And I know you used to make Vice Grip ones, because if you go on eBay, every now and then you'll see KREG jig kits with Vice Grips. It won't even close. Doesn't even, there's a spring in here. Okay, there. The spring gets caught. That's why. See, now, like, it just closed. Now it won't close. Piece of shit. KREG, your, what does it say on there? Automatic junk is what it says. Yeah, see? Automatic garbage. KREG, make a new. Make the rest of the mech, like it's actually made very well. This mechanism is what sucks. It's not complaining about the construction. It's this freaking thing. When I bought this, I was like, yeah, cool. I got a nice big fat pad here. Put on the, to do use my KREG jig, because the KREG jigs are great. This thing is a piece of garbage. Piece of garbage. I literally threw it on the floor in these vice grips and I just see same idea. What were you thinking, Craig? See, small round thing, big round thing, big round thing. Pretty much the same concept. Only difference is this one doesn't open very far. I mean, it does, but so yeah. Hey, look now. See, I opened it again. It doesn't. You have to mess with this freaking thing here to forget to close. Why? Whereas this thing, oh look, see. Oh, you want to adjust it? Oh, put it in where. Oh, I'll close some more. Oh, just okay. It's locked. Oh, you want to open it? Here, just go. There you go. It's open. See. How hard is that? So, Craig, this one was good. This one is garbage. If you're watching, try to convince me that these are any good, and I'll tell you to. So, don't get me wrong, though. The KREG jigs they make, even though there's all kinds of weird knockoffs and all that shit, they do make good quality other things. These things are good quality that don't work very good. Yeah, nothing like having a quality tool that drives you freaking insane. That's one of the tools. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I have a wacky tool channel. Thanks for watching. Toodles.